Okay, so we're going to go to this set. This is a Japanese style shear, and it was set into us because it won't cut properly. So now first thing we do is a visual inspection, then we're going to see how it cuts ourselves. Same process. Wet toilet tissue. As you can see, it doesn't cut at all. Let's see if we can fix that. First we do a visual inspection, of course, disassemble, and we use a whole different machine for this. We use whetstones for the inside ride line. Very important. Okay, so now this Japanese style shear that's typically found in a beauty salon is now all reassembled. We check the tips, we check the set, everything's ready to go, except the last thing we have to do is give it a test cut. I'm going to wet this toilet paper down, nice and good.
He has taken away my sorrows and now I'm free. I am ever.
And that is a perfect cut.